Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously, let's open up settings. From here, go to About Phone, scroll down to Factory Reset, and choose the, we'll tap on the Erase All Data button. Now, if you have some kind of screen protection, you will need to confirm that. As you can see, I do have a pattern. And then once you do that, it will give you a message right here, which you need 10 seconds to wait. I guess they expect you to read it while you wait. And then when you press on next, you're gonna get another message that again is locked behind the timer. And basically what they say is back up your data if you don't want to lose it. That's basically the short version of it. If you have photos, videos, stuff like that, make a copy of it if you want to keep it. If you don't, then completely disregard this message, tap on OK, and the process will now begin. Now, this will take about a couple of minutes, maybe like up to 5 minutes. And once it's finished, we will then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.